Insalata verde.
So this is a vinaigrette that we make every day, and it's the most asked for recipe by far, and really simple. So I'm going to mince these shallots, and nothing super fancy. I don't like to mince the garlic. We like to zest it because it mixes in and it gets finer, and it's a pretty easy task. And now, a touch of vinegar. And whenever we use vinegar, we use a splash of water because it's softer in the mouth, and you don't want vinaigrette to like bite and just be nasty. And I have a bit of fresh thyme. I'm gonna add olive oil to it. And I like mustard, love Dijon, love the spice, love it in there. And I'm gonna add that and some full grain mustard for texture. And then I'm gonna finish it with more olive oil. So in our green salad, we love the texture of frisée and the little bitterness and the crunch of endive. We love bib and hearts of romaine or little gem.